Hello everyone, welcome back to part 4 of me dismantling this thing, which it's been very resistant in coming apart, which I guess is a good thing because these are meant to like hold together and do all the things, but like many other things in life, it gave up all the easiest parts first, so now everything else has been kind of like a struggle. So we're just gonna kind of pick up where we left off and try to take apart. Where's my arm screwdriver? There we go. I see like a screw trying to hold on to a spring right here. Oh. Yeah, it was like the screw was popping in a way that wouldn't have worked. Well, it was popping in a way that it would have been hard for the screwdriver to reach, and that just came out. All right. So now that spring is loose, but it's stuck on whatever that is. Got another spring there. Maybe I can use that to take it apart. It's at least off of the thing bringing it tension. There we go. So we got the spring with less tension, but nothing's coming out. All right. I see like another like flat screw right there. We need the super weird screwdriver again. See if that... Oh. I got enough space to actually fit the screwdriver in now. But it's not really a good way for me to hold it. Oh, if I put my hand through the other thing. This is the good thing about like taking things apart. It's like you can reach inside through ways I wouldn't have been able to do before. And now I'm wearing this sewing machine as a bracelet. That does not want to give. My hands... Oh. Because my hands are super greasy. I should have realized that before pausing and starting again. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I've applied soap to the oil, so my hands are now oil-free. Or at least non-human oil-free. So last time I tried to take this off, we're going to give it another shot. Because I can. Nope. What about this big guy right here? Is this what I tried last time? Oh. Yeah, that's what I tried last time. The cross-fixing effect. And it came off. Finally. Sometimes you just gotta try these things multiple times. Alright. We have this weird thing, and now you can more easily see like all the bars that are going up and down. So I see there's like a couple screws that I can more easily reach now. That will hopefully have some sort of an effect. Oh, it will have an effect. Whether it has the effect I want or not is the real question, right? It's kind of like how there's no such thing as a choice that is not life-changing, Because a choice will change your life. The question is how much of your life it's going to change, right? Like every choice will change your life. It's just some choices will have a much bigger effect on it than others. Like choosing what school to go to. Alright, so that's spinning around, but that's not doing anything. Like, is a lot bigger effect than what ice cream you're going to have that day. I'm kind of waiting on one of the bigger life choices right now, and the fact that I haven't heard anything is relatively good news, but at some point I'm going to have to hear something, and I'm kind of nervous about that. It's literally going to affect what days I have off, which in turn affects the other things I'm going to plan in my life. Alright, so that's like loose, but nothing's coming out. It's like, stupid screw. Maybe if I hold that metal thing that's like holding that screw in, it will have less of an effect. Oh, that's having more of an effect there. I just felt that loosening. Yes. Gonna come out. Still need the screwdriver. So we're almost there. Almost there. No! It just went all the way back in, and it's like, no. You have to unscrew it all again. I guess it means the corkscrew part isn't that, like, intense compared to other screws. But if it goes in like that, I should just be able to, like, pull it out like that. Why does that not work? This is like a full inch long. Not quite. It's a full centimeter long. So I ended up learning both centimeters and inches in school. That means that's going to come out. No, that is not going to come out. It's loose, but it's stuck. No, it's literally just stuck. Okay. I learned like about both centimeters and inches in school. But if I'm gonna like think about things in my thing, for the most, unless it's like super small, I'm probably gonna think about it in inches first. But the metric system is so much better. Like everything's in tens. It's very easy to count to 10. It's very easy to keep track of things when it's in tens. But I'm also fine having both systems in place. Because I just see it as the mathematical equivalent of being bilingual. I just don't have the best conversion between the two in my head. Ooh, that screw came undone. Maybe that will fall through. It does not. Wait. Why don't I just let gravity do my job for me? There we go. I swear I'm quite intelligent, but the obvious solution doesn't always come to mind. Okay, that's the one I was fuddling with. Is that a word? Fuddling? Fidgeting is a word. Is fuddling a word? Again, let me know. That's Fuddling is what I'm thinking of in my mind. So I got nearly all the screws that I could see from that thing, and still no effect. And it's like right in the metal part too, which doesn't easily give. And we'll give a shot at the bottom again. We'll see if any of the bottom wants to release itself. Not that one. At least not with that. No, that just stripped the screw again. It's like, how much of a nuisance can a screw be when it strips both the flat and the Phillips screwdriver? Like, why? Ooh. No, that's the one I tried earlier that wouldn't give, but there's a screw right there. If I can attempt to get that screw. I'll try some of these screws over here though. There we go. That's one that's going to go. Oh, I didn't notice that screw before. It's like dust covered too. Getting all up inside this sewing machine. Yeah. And it brought the nut off with it. That was nice. Oh, that just easily came loose. And then the Phillips just kept jumping. Okay, let's not keep on jumping. Almost there. Ah, there we go. Oh. No. Sneaky, sneaky, sneaky. Either that's not a screw, or that's a hexagonal screw. In a machine that's had like all Phillips and Phillips and flats, why would it do a hexagonal screw now? I guess there's one way to find out. I think I have a couple hexagonal ones in here. Oh. Oh no, those are star ones. And something's stuck, but oh. There we go. Yeah, that's not it. It's not going to work for that. Just to fully explain what was going on back there, one of the screw tips got stuck in here magnetically, and I had to I had to blow into it in order to get it free. And now that I'm talking about it, the description doesn't make it sound any less dirtier than what was actually happening. Okay. Ooh, but that's now a lot looser. Oh. That screw is now available. Okay, I'm like, hello, good Lord, would you like a screw today? I have this special one hidden for you in the back. In case you're wondering, it's probably something like 2 o'clock in the morning, which for most people it's like, oh my gosh, you're up late. But for me, it's like, no, this is just the afternoon. And also, I slept in today. I didn't get out of bed till after midnight. There we go. That came out. It had relatively little effect on the whole thing, but... yeah, I'm able to better reach those. Those might have a bit more of an effect, considering it's screwed directly into the metal frame. Oh wait, is there... Ha ha! Kind of. Ooh, a metal bar just gave. This metal bar right here. Kind of like a fishing hook. Ooh. Or a weird crochet hook. You see where that's going, right? Anyway, that came loose, and now that's... oh, there's like a different type of oil in this part right here. Can I just like lift this up? Or is that an actual screw holding that all together? Some of these things don't even give after the second try. They wait till the 5th try to actually work. And some just don't want to work at all. Well, some would rather just strip my screwdriver. Oh, now that one wants to cooperate. There we go. There we go. Oh, that just made that loose. Ah, it looks like I gotta push down in order for it to work. It's nice when you find a little secret like that. Like sometimes when you're trying to scan something and you gotta press the button and then continually hold it. That whole thing just came loose. Ha! Look at that. All right, it doesn't even matter that that screw won't come out now. It wasn't holding anything important. Good riddance. Almost kind of looks like a face there, but anyway. We have a loose spring, or somewhat looser spring. This is what we're now looking at underneath. Which is not really much, because most of the work is there. But there's another screw right there if I can reach it. Oh, I can pull it forward and up. And wait, righty tighty, lefty loosey. You gotta go the other way, Becky. There we go. That is like completely discombobulated. That's only stuck there because I can't get that stupid bar out. Am I not going to be able to get that bar out? It's literally welded in with a hexagonal screwdriver. We are having an Ice Age situation here. It's like, oh, you can take apart the screw thing, but you will never get the spine of this. Yeah. On the upside, Dad might want to go to Lowe's with me. Help me find what I'm looking for. All right, let me show you what I'm seeing here, right? So, this bar is being held in place by this thing right here. This thing has a black hole, which is a hexagonal screw. This white thing is literally molded to the base, which means I can't lift it out unless I just pulled something. Okay. I just pulled this up. Spring. That is also not screwed in. There are more of these hexagonal screws. Like, why? Never noticed that before. Let's try to take that out. At least that's going to come out. We have reached the point where Becky probably needs to ask for help. reminds me of something, but I can't remember what. Maybe like a pen nib? Or like a drill bit? It's like someone left a drill bit inside a sewing machine. It's just like, yeah. Ooh. Oh, it's the other side of that. It came out so easily on that side. Why is it not coming out easily on this side? Okay, I'm gonna hold that tight. Wow. Like, buddy, your friend gave up. There's no reason for you to keep on holding on. At least these things are as resilient as me. I mean, come on. Ow! Don't scratch me. Okay. This is when we give up for the moment and just switch to something else. There's just like a screw in here that is just literally molded to the machine. For no good reason. Maybe I can take that one out. No, other way, other way. Almost out. Gravity, do your work. That's not doing your work, Gravity. There we go. That fell somewhere on the floor. Gravity really did its work. Alright. And that's more of, oh, if I can undo that screw in some way, shape, or form, right there, that might release a lot of things. I'm talking about this screw right in here. But it's not turning in a good way for any screwdriver to go in. Ow. Don't poke me. Okay. Ooh. That got in. It's turning slowly but surely. Alright, so it's like turning. It's about to go beyond the point of the fake washer. Well, it's still a real washer. There we go. But like the one that's more like a cap than a solid piece of metal. Then, okay, I'm really impressed that I'm getting this. Now I can probably use my fingers to do the rest. Yeah. What does that do? Haha. And that's a hexagonal screw. This washer just showed up on my finger. I don't know. It's like the thinnest thing ever. It's like a piece of paper. Mm. All right. I think we have once again reached the point where I can't grasp any of the tools because my hands are covered with oil. So I think we're going to call it here for part 4. That was today's entertainment. Have a nice day.